Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your action button in your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your Facebook profile or not your normal Facebook ID. You have to click on this which is top right corner profile icon. Then you'll find here your Facebook name, your Facebook page's name. You have to click on the Facebook page's name. Okay, then it will be switching from here. Then you have to click on this Facebook page name or Facebook profile name. I mean Facebook page's profile name. And then you have to click on this three dot icon which is top right corner, this one. Click on this and you'll find here edit action button. Click on edit action button, then click on change button. Then you'll find many button from here. You can change your button by clicking here like this, okay, or like this. So yeah, this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.